Characteristics of bacteria. Bacteria are unicellular prokaryotic organisms which generally divide by transverse binary fission. They possess rigid cell walls and act as pathogens. Nucleus is not well organized, no definite chloroplast. Chlorophyll is dissolved in chromoplasm. There are three forms of bacteria which are I. Round called cocci 2, rod-like called bacilli 3, spiral called spirilla. Classification of bacteria according to mode of nutrition. According to mode of nutrition, there are three types of bacteria. A. Parasitic, devoid of chlorophyll, are heterotrophic and get food from living animals and plants. B. Saprophytic, lack chlorophyll, hence cannot prepare their own food. Get food from dead organic remains. C. Autotrophic, contain chlorophyll, can synthesis food by photosynthesis. Few get their food by chemosynthesis. Reproduction in bacteria. I. Vegetative, by binary fission. 2. Asexual, by formation of endospores. 3. Sexual, by conjugation. 103 W.